Right, so you got to make a wish.
Okay, ready.
Make a wish and throw it in the Broomey Croft wishing well.
Yes.
You ready?
Okay, go!
Woo!
Okay, let's go and
Can
feed
you
some animals.
hear that cockerel?
I didn't actually wish for anything. Yeah, you just did our wishes and
I made a wish.
thanks. Let's go and feed the animals. And we're with my Auntie Sophie, and she's pregnant. She's got a baby in her belly. So let's go feed some animals.
So where are we, Sienna
We're
Penna?
at Kingsby farm. Yeah, and we're going to go feed some animals. Let's feed the baby one. Come here, let's feed it. You don't need to. You just have to be calm.
You just have to be calm.
They're so cute. You don't bite. You just cat. You almost with you. That's so weird.
You've been thinking about it, Sienna? Yeah, I reckon that's your guy over there, look.
No.
The one with the beard. Oh, look.
That's Daddy.
Desperately wants some food, look.
Just feed it. Feed it. It desperately wants some food.
Wow, Celeste, you are brave.
Look for your baby now. Just like Auntie Sophie's. I'm going to feed him a yacht because he needs to go.
Yeah, the mummy needs lots of food to make milk for baby.
I don't know if I want to feed it or not. It's okay. Just try it. It's really cool, Sienna.
Sienna,
It's really
be brave.
I'm going to Hello!
It's a blustery day at Broomey Croft Farm. These are donkeys in here. Have you fed your chickens yet? Put some stuff down for the chickens. Chick, chick, chick. Oh, scared of chickens now.
Oh, more chickens! How lovely!
Hey, good girl.
You know what? You're not feeding the big ones, Celeste.
Are you going to go feeding these ones? Not a natural farm person. Roar!
And there's also like pigs and there's also ducks. There's chickens. Yeah, there's chickens. And yeah. After this, I think we're gonna go and explore some more. So let's do it again. Weird thing over there. Like a swing, really high.
It's a baby swing. It's to put babies in.
It's really weird. Okay, ready?
Mama,
I want to cool baby swing. It's really fun. Stand there. We're going to watch her cool move.
Okay.
Watch her. Yeah, so they want to show you a move, so yeah. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Right. Remember your training. Okay, ready? I don't think they did any training. Two. So guys, that was weird. And as they are,
I'll just give Aunt Sophie a hand with the coat. Let's go.
yes. Look at those ducks. No, they're not ducks. They don't like that.
No, give me. Hold on, I'm just gonna get my food out. Ugh. Just pop my food out. Everyone else has left me. It doesn't matter though. I'm a loner. I'm just gonna pop my bag in my pocket because otherwise it's just going to spill probably. Let's feed some goats. Hello, little baby goats. Oh, it's feeding. Oh. How adorable. Let's run. There are the goats.
Come on, guys.
Come on, guys. Oh, how adorable! Oh my god! Nothing on. Oh, of course, just licked the camera, didn't it? Just wipe that on my knee. Let's feed this little pony. Well, not going to feed it because I haven't got food, but film it. Hello, hopefully you don't eat my camera because it's so tiny. Oh, smile for the camera, little goat. Oh, they're all smiling. Look how tiny they all are. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'm going to look over here. Oh look. Mummy, can you put some food in my hand? I'm going to feed the goat.
Can you have some of Sienna's, darling?
Yeah.
Oh, Sienna. Oh. There's the food in my fat hand. Give it to this woman over here. Oh, she's a woman that eats with pride. I just want to throw it. Just gonna get some more food here. Let's feed the baby. Hopefully the baby eats with pride. Excuse me, little lady. No, the baby. There we are. She's eating. Gosh. Get some more food. Yeah, let me.
Take as much as you want. Big guy.
Right, let's go feed the big daddy.
Come around this way, feed the big guy so that Celeste can feed the little one. She keeps trying to give him food.
Go.
Oh my god, that's a vicious eating goat.
Not do anymore.
Let's get some more food. Have a handful. See, there's baby goats over there. Why don't you go and start with those to feed? Gosh, calm down, old big guy.
Give the big one some food, darling.
Oh my gosh, he's putting the other goats. That is a vicious goat for ya. Those are the ones you don't want to be friends with. These are the little cuties that you do want to be friends with. Look at that tiny face. Oh my god, that's a big goat. That's a mummy goat. Mummy goat!
So while they're feeding the
Baby
big ones,
goats.
why don't we feed the little one? Let me do it with you. Come here. No, because Sienna's got the only one that's got food left now. Oh, great!
I didn't catch it on camera.
No, I didn't tell it.
Let's go, feed it quick.
The little ones, these are, look, because the big one's
Oh
coming down.
no.
We're distracting the mummy goat so Sienna can feed the little ones. Celeste is doing great. She's like a lone wolf over there feeding. Scarlett's distracting the big guy. How are we doing, Sienna?
Sorry, my sweetheart. I'm trying to get some more food for you, my darling.
Can you come and help? Go and help out Sienna, Celeste.
Okay,
Borrow some food and distracts them so she can feed.
Mum, talk over here, otherwise she's going to do it over there. Mum. Hello, my sweetheart. I can't get it out. Oh my gosh, eat the bag, are we?
Hungry goat, hungry goat.
Ah, no, I actually mixed her. Stop! No, stop.
Okay, guys. I know what you had. To protect people. Can I just have the camera?
You can.
So, guys, she's stuck. She's not actually stuck, guys. We're just doing that because to trick our mum and auntie, Sophie. So yeah, and so she's not actually stuck. Oh, I should have got that on camera. See, she's still on there.
You drop further than that at Dostal Park off the slidey bars.
Okay, I'm
show you my luxurious home. So we need to go up these steps of royalty. And then we go down here. Then we go across here as a princess lady should. And then we go up here. And then we come to my home. And there's a beautiful balcony of just the most wonderful views. And see, that is a lady here. Okay, and here is... So I just had to do that. And Auntie is just standing there doing silly faces. So we go down these again. And we walk like a gentle... Okay, we do not fall. Oh, I literally just falled. Mum, I just falled down that. Then we go to my pet traveler, a ducky and a horse, to ride on them way. So chim chilly. Come on, join me now. I have hot chocolate with whipped cream and marshmallows, so we're really excited for that. So Scarlett, how do you feel about whipped cream and marshmallows on hot chocolate?
I am very excited.
So that's her. How do you feel about whipped cream and marshmallows on ice cream?
Yummy!
Oh. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.